to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how to invite employees into Bitrix24 CRM, and you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first of all, we have to log in your Bitrix24 account, and in the right side upper corner, you will get the invite option. Just click on the invite option, plus invite, and then you will get all the options to invite your employees. If you want to invite via link, then you can just copy the link and you can send it to your employees through any media, or otherwise you can invite them. You can type the email id over there, first name, last name, and then you can invite. Also, here is the bulk invitation. You can write down all the emails one by one, and you can directly invite this from the bulk invitation. So just like that, you can invite any employee into your Bitrix24. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.